How to enter referral codes on Temu app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can enter your referral codes in your Temu app. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Temu app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Temu. In case you see update sign instead of open, tap on update. Once you have successfully updated your app, tap open and make sure that you are logged into your specific Temu account. This is what your homepage will look like. At this section, tap onto You on your bottom. Then here you will see coupons and offers. Tap open it. At this section, you will see 3 tabs. That is unused, used, and expired. Simply type in the code on the unused. Once you have typed in the coupon code, tap on apply. And if that code is valid, you will be able to redeem it. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.